अस्सलाम वालेकुम। स्टार्ट करते हैं न्यू ऑक्सफोर्ड मॉडर्न इंग्लिश बुक 4 यूनिट 12 द वीपिंग प्रिंसेस पार्ट 1 की हमने रीडिंग विद उर्दू ट्रांसलेशन कंप्लीट कर ली थी। आज हम करेंगे इसके वर्ड्स मीनिंग्स और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। इन एक्सरसाइजेस को करने से पहले आपने ट्रांसलेशन वाली वीडियो अच्छी तरह देखनी है। इस तरह आपको स्टोरी अच्छी तरह समझ आ जाएगी और आप इन तमाम क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स भी आसानी से दे सकेंगे और समझ पाएंगे। Words meanings: keen, eager and willing, शौकीन, mist, fog, धुंध, stretch, extend body to full length, अंगड़ाई लेना, yawn, open mouth wide, जमाई लेना, forged, faked, जाली, gloomily, miserably, unhappily, उदासी के साथ, precious, valuable, कीमती, rare, not often found, नायाब, shaft, a ray, a streak, किरण, rumble, make a deep sound, गड़गड़ाहट की आवाज, tip over, turn on one end, उलटना या उल्टाना, twinkle, sparkle, चमकना, जगमगाना, celebrate, mark an occasion, मनाना, delicious, टेस्टी, लजीज या मज़ेदार, एनिवर्सरी, द डेट ऑन विच एन इवेंट टुक प्लेस, सालाना त्यौहार, एग्जैक्टली, प्रिसाइजली, बिल्कुल, एंड दुरुस्त, क्लैप, सडन लाउड साउंड, हिट, कड़ाका या कड़क, लुक फॉरवर्ड टू, अवेट ईगरली, बेताबी से इंतज़ार करना। अब हम इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर देंगे। व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ पर्सन इज अंकल माइक? पिक आउट एवरीथिंग वी हैव लर्नड अबाउट हिम सो फार। अंकल माइक किस किस्म के इंसान थे, उनके बारे में आपने बताना है। अंकल माइक वॉज अ टॉल ग्रे हेयर्ड इंग्लिशमैन. He was an old of friend Asim's father. He was very fond of Asim's mother's cooking. He was a caring and loving person. Exercise A के क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के इन तमाम क्वेश्चंस का आंसर नोट करें। What did Asim do as soon as he woke up? Answer: Asim washed and ran downstairs to the kitchen. B. What sort of noise does thunder make? Answer: the thunder makes a deep rumbling sound. C. What was Uncle Mike's present to Asim? Answer: Uncle Mike gave him a stamp album as a present. Question D है, where were Uncle Mike's own children? Answer: Uncle Mike's children had grown up and gone abroad. E. What was the first postage stamp called? Answer: the first postage stamp was called penny black. F. What was wrong with every 21st stamp on a sheet of 100? Answer: there was a tiny colored mark under the eye of the princess on every 21st stamp on a sheet of 100. G. Question है, did Uncle Mike like puris? How do we know? Answer: Uncle Mike loved puris and often came to breakfast just to eat puris made by Asim's mother. अब हम ये करेंगे more difficult questions. H है, why did people pay high prices for the forged stamps? Answer: they thought these forged stamps were the real ones. I question है, what is the use of collecting old stamps? Do you have a stamp album? Answer: old stamps tell us a lot about different countries and persons. They can also become very valuable with the passage of time. Collecting old stamps is a very useful habit No, I do not have a stamp album. एक्सरसाइज ए का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है आंसर द क्वेश्चंस अबाउट दिस लाइन फ्रॉम द स्टोरी। ये लाइन स्टोरी में से ली गई है और इससे रिलेटेड जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उनके आंसर्स देने हैं। ही गेव हिम द पैकेट एंड एज सुन एज दे गॉट इनसाइड द हाउस आसिम ओपन्ड इट। तो इसके आंसर्स नोट करें। Who had given Asim the packet? Uncle Mike gave the packet to Asim. B है what was this person doing in Asim's house? Uncle Mike often came to Asim's house at breakfast time because he liked puris made by Asim's mother. Question C ये मिस हो गया था इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया है What was inside the packet? Answer, there was an old album and a metal box inside the packet. Question D है was it a useful gift on a day like this? What was the day like? It was a very useful gift on a day like this. It was raining. Asim had nothing else to do. He could not play football with his friend because of rain. That gift gave him something to do in his spare time. That is why it was a particularly good gift. अब हम चैलेंज क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिखेंगे। पहले क्वेश्चन देखें। When Asim found that it was going to rain, he was sad. What other emotions, feelings did he have and how did he show these feelings? How do you react when you have similar feelings? इसका आंसर है Asim was sad. He felt that now his friend will not come to play with him. He expressed his sadness by pushing his hands deep into his pockets. When I have similar feelings, I keep quiet and do not talk to anybody. यहाँ तक हमने तमाम क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं। नेक्स्ट पेज पर जो एक्सरसाइजेज हैं वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कंप्लीट करेंगे। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।